So we are here in Eden Prairie, Minnesota at Starkey's global headquarters. We have over 200 audiology students, faculty members, and they are getting hands-on with the software, modification training, as well as a peek behind the curtain with technology and production tours.
I'm just so excited to have learned all these things that I can take with me and apply in my clinical role. They offer so many things. Everyone is so nice.
The hands-on experience has been really cool. We were able to break an ITE and then fix it, which was really cool. And then just the speakers that you guys have had, it really resonates with me just to see passion in the field.